Mileage adds up daily on your car, and in these tough economic times, extending the life of that car becomes more important.
KSN's Don Grant shows us how one company's product could leave your engine humming a bit longer.
For 40 years, BG Products has led the industry with high-quality engine additives. But until now, most consumers didn't know who they were.
We've primarily dealt with professional trade over the years, and our focus in the last few years is to get our name out to the end user.
BG additives aren't sold retail, but your mechanic will probably suggest that they use BG in your car's engine. Their research has elevated the quality of fluids to prolong the life of your engine. Their signature product is a fuel additive called 44K.
And it will rapidly clean the injectors, the back of the intake valves, carbon that builds up on the back of the intake valves, the combustion chamber.
Engine additives are often referred to as snake oil, but BG Products has science behind what they do. It's all about extending the life of an internal combustion engine and keeping them on the road. They are so sure of what they do that they offer a lifetime guarantee for vehicles that have been serviced regularly with their products.
And our goal is to always take what might even be a good product and make it perform to its maximum.
In spite of the economy, BG is up 3% this year. They employ about 180 locally with another 900 sales reps across the country. Internal combustion engines are their specialty, but there are many opportunities for electric or hydrogen vehicles because they still have fluid drive components.
There are opportunities in pretty much anything that happens with the automotive industry.
BG expects to continue to grow by exploiting a rapidly growing overseas market. On the KSN Business Beat, I'm Don Grant.